Rescue, disposable fly trap. Add water, subtract flies. I will tell you right now, they work really well. They will get rid of thousands and thousands of flies. They do stink. There's some kind of sort of dead fish type stuff in there, dead animal, I don't know what it is, but certainly some attractant. Cut the circle off the top. And this is one of those devices where, pull this out. Flies get in, they don't know how to get out. So they go in these holes here. They can come out here, but they can't figure out how to go back in. So we're going to fill it with water up to the fill line, which is this line here, right about here. Now, I usually put a little bit of water in the middle of summer. We're in Texas, and this water evaporates quickly. You have to keep the water in here for this to work. Sometimes when it rains, it'll fill it all the way, and that's okay. Get the water here. I'm going to go up to about here. Okay. Now, we don't really want to get this on us. There's a little bag. Looks like a biodegradable bag full of some goop. So let's go install this. I hang it from a tree in the place where it's going to smell the least. So I rigged a little tree system with some paracord. I've got a little hook on here for the bag. I'm also going to put this little weight, a coat hanger with a rock, so that if it does dry out, it comes down easy. I'm going to slip the hook over here. And I can get it down even though, let me put it on after, even though the bag is empty, it just takes a little jiggling. But that rock will help me get the rope over the branch a little easier. Let me back up and show you what I did. You can see I have this cord. Way up there in the back corner of our yard. I don't want raccoons jumping down trying to eat that. Now I'll just wrap extra cord around the tree. I need enough paracord to lower it down and still be able to reach the end of this. So, and I'll just wrap it a couple of times and go up here. Okay, no pressure on it. All right, there we go. Goes up the tree, over the branch. I threw it over the branch. And now it'll keep the flies away from the hacienda. Here's the results when you take these down. They're full of flies. And this one would probably keep going if you keep them full of water. They dry out. You fill them up, the stink will work. You can see the fly line. That bag is half full of fly goop. They work really well. They stink. Put it in a bag to dispose of it.